Hello everyone, I'm Pierre and Jason. Today I'm visiting Botheven. They have a history over 40 years and they produce a perfect PP woven bag making machine. And not just that, they also have printing, lamination and cutting. And let's go check it out. Botheven emphasize the principle. From the components to the machine's frame, everything is manufactured in-house. So can you tell me how critical it is to have this total control to deliver the high quality customization?
Okay, for us, it's simple. Total control equals total accountability. That is our guarantee of quality, speed, and innovation. In high-end customization, that is not just important, it is everything.
So hey Linda, let's talk about your philosophy. Every upgrade is a promise kit. Can you tell me more details on this information for how significant that phrase for you?
Okay, we insist on continuous improvement. Every single upgrade is our promise in action. Showing we are committed to being a reliable partner for our customers' success.
Can you introduce about some advantage for the Botheven's machine?
First, their quality is the best in their field. Okay, this is number one. Number two, they are offering a very good after-sales service. Number three, their prices are very competitive compared to others. These are three things which really makes you able to sell their machines in Egypt as Asian.
Thank you for the feedback.